Congratulations! Your church finally found a new insurance policy that actually covers your church. But wait, you just received a notice that your property failed the inspection. What happens now? Don't panic. We're here to help you understand the next steps. It can be frustrating to put in the effort to secure insurance and then face the possibility of losing it due to a failed inspection. But understanding why you failed is the first step to fixing the problem. Property inspections look for potential hazards that could lead to accidents or damage. This could include things like faulty wiring, damaged walkways, or fire safety concerns. The good news is, most of these issues are easily fixable. Contact a qualified contractor to address the issues highlighted in your inspection report. Once the repairs are complete, schedule a reinspection with your insurance company. By taking swift action and making the necessary repairs, you can ensure your church is safe, protected, and properly insured. Remember, a failed inspection isn't the end. It's an opportunity to improve your property and protect your congregation. The church insurance agents at Insurance for Texans are ready to guide you through the inspection process. Through our True Texas Church Insurance Program, we have helped hundreds of churches just like yours get the coverage they need. Give us a call today or click on the link below, and one of our expert agents will get started helping you.